Hello friends, how are you all? So today I'll be teaching you how to introduce yourself in French. Se présenter, which means to introduce oneself. It's written here, se présenter, se présenter, to introduce oneself. So first of all, you need to tell your name. My name is this, I am XYZ, I am ABC. So how you will say this in French? Je m'appelle Harleen Kaur. Je m'appelle Prabjeet Kaur. Je m'appelle Rita. Je m'appelle Reena, or any other name. It's written here, Je m'appelle Harleen Kaur. You can write your name also. Je m'appelle. I call myself Harleen Kaur. My name is Harleen Kaur. Je, it's spelled as Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Harleen Kaur. I call myself Harleen Kaur. The second part of introduction includes your age. If you want to say that I am 19 years old, or if you want to say I am 20 years old, then how you are going to say that? Let me tell you. J'ai 20 ans. J'ai 20 ans. I am 20 years old. It's pronounced as j'ai 20 ans. I am 20 years old. Or if you are 19 years old, you can say j'ai 19 ans. J'ai 19 ans. I am 19 years old. Don't worry, I'll be teaching you the numerals of French as well. I'll be teaching you the numbers as well. And then you'll get to know that how you are going to pronounce your age correctly. The third part of your introduction includes your origin, or where you are living, where you live right now. It's written here, J'habite à Lucknow. It's pronounced as J'habite. Here, J, H, A, they are connected with each other. So it is pronounced as J'habite à. It's written A here. There is an accent above A. So it is pronounced as A, not as A. It is pronounced as A. I'll be teaching you that also. It's pronounced as A. Lucknow, as you pronounce that. J'habite à Lucknow means I live in Lucknow, or anywhere you live, you can write that also, or you can say that. So the fourth part of your introduction includes your education details. What are you doing right now? What are you pursuing right now? Or what your profession is right now? It's written here, Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiant. Or you can say it as Je suis étudiante. It is spelled as Je suis étudiante also. It is spelled as Je suis étudiant also. It's written here, Je suis étudiant. Je suis étudiante. I am a student. Now please pay attention at this point. Why I have pronounced it as Je suis étudiant or Je suis étudiante, because here S is followed by E. E is a vowel. So that's why I have pronounced it as Je suis étudiante or Je suis étudiant, because S is followed by a vowel. Now there is one more thing to tell. Why I have put an E after T? Why I have put it in a bracket? Because listen to me first of all. Étudiante is for females. Étudiante. And étudiant is for males. When I will write étudiante till here, it will be spelled as étudiant. And when I will write étudiante, it will be spelled as étudiant. When I will include E also in this, then it will be spelled as étudiant. And one more thing to tell, that if I will write étudiant, it is for males. Only male students will say étudiant. Je suis étudiant. And female students will say je suis étudiante. How they will say? Female students will say étudiante. E is also included when females are going to say. It's for feminine. And this is for masculine. This is masculine. Étudiant is masculine and étudiante is feminine. Have a look here. The very fifth part of your introduction will include your marital status. If you want to say that I am single, if you want to say that I am married, how you are going to say that? You are going to say Je suis célibataire. Je suis célibataire. If you are single, you are going to say Je suis célibataire. If you are married, then you are going to say Je suis marié. Je suis marié. All right? Je suis célibataire. Je suis marié for the married ones. I am single. Je suis célibataire. I am married. Je suis marié. And one more thing to tell. Again, I have included an E over here. So again, an extra E is added. When an extra E is added, it's for feminine, but it is pronounced as marié only. And a single E with an aigu accent, it is used for masculines. Marié. Again, it is pronounced as marié only. Now I'll be introducing you with the French alphabets or the letters of French. Alphabets in French are pronounced as l'alphabet. You can see here L is followed by a vowel, so you are going to pronounce it as l'alphabet. Here T is silent, so you are going to pronounce it as l'alphabet. L'alphabet. All right? In French, letters are written as they are written in English only.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
A, you know, in English it is written as this. This type of A is written in English. So this type of A is written in French also, but it is pronounced as A. It is pronounced as A. If you have to say something in French, if you have to say A, then you are going to say as A. It as A. A. A in French is pronounced as A. There is nothing like A, there is A. B in French is pronounced as B. B is pronounced as B. This is B of English. In French, B is written as B only, but it is pronounced as B. C is pronounced as Se. D is pronounced as De. E is pronounced as A. Listen to me. E is pronounced as A. E is pronounced as A. Alright? F is pronounced as F only. F is pronounced as F only in French. In French, G is pronounced as G. G. H is pronounced as Ash. Ash. I is pronounced as E. I is pronounced as E. J is pronounced as J. J is pronounced as J. K is pronounced as Ka. K is pronounced as Ka. And L is again pronounced as L only. In French, M is pronounced as M only. N is also pronounced as N only. O is also pronounced as O only, but P is pronounced as pay. P is pronounced as pay. Q is pronounced as Q. 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 You have to make faces also like this. You have to make faces like this only. Q. Q. And R is pronounced as air. You have this guttural sound should come from within. Air. 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 R is pronounced as air. Air. In French, S is pronounced as S only. T is pronounced as te. Te. U is pronounced, it's quite difficult. U is pronounced as U. 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 U is pronounced as U. U. V is pronounced as ve. 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 W is pronounced as W. W. X is pronounced as eeks. X is pronounced as eeks. Y is pronounced as Y. Y is pronounced as Y. 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 Z is pronounced as Z. Z. Merci beaucoup. That's all for today and bonne journée.